Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the executable and the right tools. You must have legal permission. Once confirmed, copy the exe to an analysis folder and snapshot your system. Install a disassembler like IDA or Ghidra and a debugger such as x64dbg. Make sure you also gather any PDB symbols, dependent DLLs, and representative input files. These make reverse engineering far faster. Finally, isolate work in a VM to avoid collateral damage and to snapshot for easy rollback. Once the tools are ready, begin static analysis. Run strings and inspect PE headers to find imports, resources, and suspicious sections. Load the binary into IDA or Ghidra to create a function map and rename obvious routines. This reveals logic and data references. Next, perform dynamic analysis. Launch in a debugger, set breakpoints on key APIs, and step through call sequences to observe real behavior. Make sure to dump memory regions and record I/O so you can correlate runtime data with. You finish by extracting pseudocode for critical routines and mapping data flows between functions and files. This reconstructs the program's intent. Once done, iteratively verify by patching a simple function or emulating behavior in a sandbox, then run tests with known inputs to confirm your reconstruction. If things go wrong, first check for obfuscation, anti-debugging tricks, or missing symbol files. Addressing those usually restores clarity. Keep detailed notes so you can reproduce or hand off findings confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.